Hello. ¿Cómo están? ¿Cómo están? Yo estoy bien. I'm good. Yeah. So I figured it out. I was like for the longest. No sabía cómo hacer los videos si en español o inglés. Y como que... Esta es la vaina. Yo hablo español de nacimiento. I speak Spanish, like that's my native language. But I came to the US a year ago. So me mudé para Estados Unidos como hace un año. Conocí al padre de mis 7 hijos. Entonces, yo en mi casa, cuando él está, yo hablo inglés. Pero cuando él no está, I speak Spanish. So, I decided to make it Spanglish. You're gonna hear me speaking like Spanglish, Spanish, English, something else that we don't even know what it is. Pero sí. So this is a Christmas look / stealing people's men at the office party. No? You don't want to steal my men? Fine. This is like a Christmas look. I decided to incorporate all the Christmas colors. We got the burgundy, the reds, the green, the gold. So yes. Espero que les guste el video. Yo no soy una maquillista profesional. I'm not a makeup artist, but I like to play around with makeup. Is that valid? I don't know. I'm not qualified. Just if you find it interesting, keep looking. Keep it moving. All right. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Y nada, nos vemos en el próximo. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prep my skin with a little bit of Fix Plus. This primer from Dr. Brand. It's called the Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Eso mismo. O sea, yo casi no uso eso. So. Entonces, cojo un chin, assess. Like that, then in my forehead, my nose, my baby hairs keep popping up. I'm drinking pre-workout because #momlife. So, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I first comb them. I'm no makeup artist, but this is just the way I do things. I'm going to grab the Anastasia. Why it's so hard? Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in the shade Chocolate. So la razón why I do my eyebrows first is because I'm a little sloppy, so I can, like, you know, go back and clean it up. Prima lejana. I just said they look like distant cousins, but they're gonna look like sisters. They're sisters, not twins. So yeah, so I'm gonna blend. Voy a difuminarlas. Okay. Gonna blend them. Okay. No. So next thing is I'm gonna shape them, clean them, whatever, with a little Max concealer. The shade, this is a Studio Finish concealer in the shade NC30. Entonces, después que ya tenemos that, let's blend it out. Lo próximo que voy a hacer es que voy a coger este lápiz blanco de NYX. Puede ser cualquier prebase de ojos. Voy a ponerla en mis ojitos. So I just said that the first thing I do for my eyes is that I'm gonna take this next pencil that needs to be sharpened. Cause yes, and I'm gonna put it like a base for my shadow. Oscar. ¿Dónde está? Okay, I can't even find it. It's the colors here. And I'm gonna put it all over my crease. Lo voy a poner en la cuenca de mi ojo y lo voy a difuminar. Entonces, voy a tomar de la paleta de Alamar Cosmetics. Creo que se llama, oh sí, Reina del Caribe. El color Guantanamera, que es un color como rojo. So I just said that from this Alamar palette, Reinas del Caribe, I'm gonna take the Guantanamera shade. It's like a red or burgundy. So I'm gonna put it right there in my crease. Lo voy a concentrar ahí. You gotta blend that after. Tomar esta brocha con un poquito nada más de corrector. Limpiar un poco el párpado. Just so that I'm gonna take this brush with just a little tad bit of concealer just to clean this area a little bit more. I'm gonna take the shade Candle from the Tartelette palette. Here, the Tartelette Toasted palette. And I'm gonna take this shade here. Gotta blend. I'm gonna use, you know what, I'm gonna take again from the one, I'm gonna take the Guantanamera shade again, el mismo Guantanamera que usamos antes. A la línea de las pestañas porque solo quiero una guía para las pestañas que me voy a poner. I just said that I'm gonna apply my liner really close to my lash line because I just want like a guide for the false lashes that I'm gonna be applying. What's like your guys' favorite eyeliner? I wanna get a new one, but like right now I'm using the Maybelline Line Stiletto. Works good, but I want to try something else. I like to apply a little like coat of mascara before my lashes. Me voy a aplicar pestañas falsas, pero me gusta ponerle un poco de rímel a las mías porque siento que se ve mejor la aplicación de las falsas. Voy a usar la Pro Wear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation from MAC. Voy a usar esta de MAC en el shade NC40. Cuello, para que no parezca un payaso. Voy a aplicar concealer. I'm gonna add some concealer. I'm gonna use the MAC Studio Fix 24 Hour, the new presentation. I'm in the shade NC35. Your makeup and you end up looking the same, you didn't do it right. So, looking snatched. I know this is like foundation too. I don't know, I'm not sure, but whatever. I need to go get more because se me está acabando and I don't like it. I'm gonna set my face. So voy a poner un poco de polvo translúcido. I'm gonna add some translucent powder. Jesucristo, Señor. Entonces voy a tomar este bronzer, or es como un powder blush. That's a bronzer to me. Alright? Alright. Decay powder brush. I'll put it right here. Looking pretty on my forehead too. Porque tengo una cabeza de huevos. Ready to steal your man. I'm just kidding. I'm not stealing anybody's man. At least not today. Call me. No, don't call me. And I'm gonna apply blush. The MAC también. I love MAC. Can you tell? I like this blush because it's like not too much, not crazy. So, for the Christmas portion of this look, we're gonna add some green. So voy a coger de nuevo esta paleta de Amar. Y voy a tomar el color Celia, que es verde. Verde como la de bolito. Entonces lo vamos a poner aquí abajo. Pero bonita. Pero bonita. Hola, ¿cómo tú te llamas? ¿Cómo tú te llamas? The other side too. Creo que yo voy a salir hoy. Voy a doblar ropa. Nothing says Christmas like a red lip. So por eso voy a poner a classic Max Ruby Woo. Yes, girl. So we're gonna line our lips first. This is from Sephora. I think it's, I don't know the shade of it. It's called Deep Ruby. Like, I'm seeing a lot of people online adding like crazy colors in the inner corners, so I wanted to try this. Can't see that. It's a Christmas look. It's trendy. Hashtag YouTuber. Not really. I don't know. I'm gonna add this gold shade in my corner. Is it gonna look crazy? Probably. Are we gonna try it? Yes, we are. Let's see. Ooh. Let's see. hello, hi. I like it. I like it. Wow, look at that. Qué linda. Qué linda. Navidad, Navidad. Okay, don't blend it. Don't blend it. Stop blending. Just pack it in. Call me. Call me. No, don't call me. I'm gonna add some highlighter. And look at that. All over the face. ¿Cómo es que dice el tipo? Porque nadie puede brillar más que yo. Nadie puede brillar más que yo, mi amor. Nobody can ever shine more than me, honey. No y no. I don't allow it. Qué bella. Wow. El diablo. Come through, honey. Okay. So I'm gonna put my lashes off camera because yeah, it's just whatever. I'm gonna use the Wings lashes. These are like my favorite lashes so far. In the style Salon, whatever. They look like this, and yeah, I'll come back when I apply them. Money. If you want me to show you how I put on my lashes, I can do that. Just a video just on that. If not, you can watch like 3 million other videos on YouTube that are talking about that. Whatever. How you think? I like this look. I'm ready to show you, man, on Christmas Eve. Yes. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on social media y todo lo que te dé la gana. Si no te da la gana, no lo hagas. Mentira. Déjenme saber si les gustó el video y regálenme un like y síganme en mis redes sociales. Estoy como @yennytaveras en todos sus lados. Estoy en Facebook también, pero no lo uso porque I use it, but I don't use it, like, you know, it's weird. You know, we're not gonna get into that. So yeah, Sonny.